Okay, these are more difficult rational functions. The software I used to make these only doesn't let me like choose my variables. If I could have chosen my variables, I would have only used X, but same process, okay? So I'm gonna try to factor these out. I notice that these are all divisible by 10. Which makes that a little bit easier to factor. I notice that these are all divisible by 4p. Which makes this a little bit easier to factor. So the top, the bottom, those cancel. 10 over 4 is 5 over 2. I'm going to distribute that. I'm going to distribute, this is 2p. Remember that whatever makes my denominator is a restriction, denominator equal to 0 is a restriction, which is 7, -2, and 0. If I do 4p or 2p, doesn't matter, equals 0, I'm going to divide by 2. 0 divided by 2 is 0. So this is my answer on this guy. Do another one. I notice that these are all divisible by 5, which makes factoring that a little bit easier. I'm assuming those are all divisible by 14. Nope. What about 7? Nope. What about 2? Oh, 2x. Does that make my life easier? Not really. Yes, really. That's going to give me -63, -9 is -72. Okay, so my factors are these cancel, distribute that out, distribute that out. Restrictions make the denominator equal to 0. That's 0. That's 9/7, and that's 9. So those are the little bit harder ones. They just take a little more time to factor. I think y'all will be fine factoring these out. You just got to get some practice. Factoring is one of those things that you really got to practice to get better at. You can't just look at it and hope you get better. We have a lot of tools for factoring, including the rational real root theorem, which can help you out.